joy,
joy.
A feeling of great pleasure and happiness.
She felt joy when she saw her family again.
joy,
Joy.
anger,
Anger.
A strong feeling of annoyance, displeasure, or hostility.
His face turned red with anger.
anger,
Anger.
sadness,
Sadness.
The condition or quality of being sad.
Her eyes were full of sadness.
sadness,
Sadness.
fear,
Fear.
An unpleasant emotion caused by the threat of danger, pain, or harm.
He ran away in fear.
fear,
Fear.
love,
Love.
An intense feeling of deep affection.
They expressed their love for each other.
love,
Love.
hate,
Hate.
Feel intense dislike for.
She hates lying.
hate,
Hate.
hope,
Hope.
A feeling of expectation and desire for a particular thing to happen.
We should never lose hope.
hope,
Hope.
pride,
Pride.
A feeling of deep pleasure or satisfaction derived from one's own achievements.
He felt pride in his achievements.
pride,
Pride.
jealousy,
Jealousy.
A feeling of unhappiness and anger because someone has something or someone that you want.
He broke his brother's new bike in a fit of jealousy.
jealousy,
Jealousy.
excitement,
Excitement.
A feeling of great enthusiasm and eagerness.
The kids were full of excitement.
excitement,
Excitement.
sympathy,
Sympathy.
Feelings of pity and sorrow for someone else's misfortune.
They had great sympathy for the flood victims.
sympathy,
Sympathy.
compassion,
Compassion.
sympathetic pity and concern for the sufferings or misfortunes of others.
The victims should be treated with compassion.
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 Respect.
Respect.
A feeling of deep admiration for someone or something elicited by their abilities, qualities, or achievements.
The director had a lot of respect for Lisa as an actress.
Respect.
Respect.
Kindness.
Kindness.
The quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate.
He thanked them for their kindness and support.
Kindness.
Kindness.
Honesty.
Honesty.
The quality of being honest.
His honesty in admitting the mistake earned him the trust and respect of his teammates.
Honesty.
Honesty.
Trust.
Trust.
Firm belief in the reliability, truth, or ability of someone or something.
Relations have to be built on trust.
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 Forgiveness.
Forgiveness.
The action or process of forgiving or being forgiven.
She is quick to ask forgiveness when she has overstepped the line.
Forgiveness.
Forgiveness.
Curiosity.
Curiosity.
A strong desire to know or learn something.
The boy's curiosity led him to explore the dense jungle.
Curiosity.
Curiosity.
Conversation.
Conversation.
A talk, especially an informal one, between two or more people, in which news and ideas are exchanged.
They had a deep conversation about life.
Conversation.
Conversation.
Gesture.
Gesture.
A movement of part of the body, especially a hand or the head, to express an idea or meaning.
He made a kind gesture.
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 Message.
Message.
A verbal, written, or recorded communication sent to or left for a recipient who cannot be contacted directly.
She sent him a quick message.
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 Agreement.
Agreement.
harmony or accordance in opinion or feeling.
They reached an agreement quickly.
Agreement.
Agreement.
Confession.
Confession.
A formal statement admitting that one is guilty of a crime.
His confession surprised everyone.
Confession.
Confession.
Apology.
Apology.
A regretful acknowledgement of an offense or failure.
She wrote a sincere apology.
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 Promise.
Promise.
A declaration or assurance that one will do something or that a particular thing will happen.
He made a promise to help her.
Promise.
Promise.
Friendship.
Friendship.
A relationship between friends.
Their friendship has lasted for many years.
Friendship.
Friendship.
Encouragement.
Encouragement.
The action of giving someone support, confidence, or hope.
He gave me words of encouragement before the test.
Encouragement.
Encouragement.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification